Hi guys, I'm from Dhanashekar from India. I'm just dealing Meite products around more than 5 years. Actually, I'm happy to sell the products of Meite products. And here the products are selling mostly in India, like the M66, which is used for clinching guns, and these are the brand names, which is used for the furniture industries and interiors industries. This is a searing gun, which is used for mattress and cages, like that. These are the concrete toil nailer, right? And it's used to use in interior decor, right? Then what else?